Camitron Cleantech Private Limited is a company engaged in clean room technology and manufacturing of clean room products to meet the requirements of international standards for a variety of pharmaceutical unit, air pollution equipments, sterile OT room for orthopedic surgeries and general surgery since 35 years. Camitron is a manufacturing air filters in Hygieno brand with all range of air filters in-house at Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Camitron Cleantech Private Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 company. We provide sterile air. What is AHU with automatic filter cleaning system? A unique and one-of-its-kind product in air filter technology ever made. Our AHU with automatic filter cleaning system will provide clean air as per specified standard, uniformly and continuously without any interruption, as well as with an automatic cleaning arrangement. This will solve the various unsolved problems of pharmaceuticals and research center in air conditioning system. This is really a revolutionary system and a miracle in technologies and shall save immense energy. Self-cleaning filter system is technically upgraded and much sophisticated as compared to existing conventional systems. It is 100% upon the available of present technologies. How does AHU with automatic filter cleaning system work for you? In our design concept, there are number of cylindrical filters can be fitted in AHU and remain perfectly clean without service by opening the AHU system. It rotating slow RPM of about 27 to 30 per hour through gear motor and timing belt on their axis. The air passes through the outer peripheral of filter to inside and remaining part of all sides of filter are closed and sealed. The air passes through only outer peripherals. The dust particle remains on the outer side of peripheral of filters which rotate and come to the downside. There is a provision inside the filter to blow off filtered air by blower on precise velocities and precise pressure. On the bottom of AHU, we provide a suction point which is connected to the pulse jet dust collector. The dust collector sucks dust from air that parted the filter. No dust particle remains in AHU and filter is continuously free from any dust particle. Thus the system remains clear and AHU remains totally clean. There is no risk of cross-contamination or bacterial growth, so there is a lot of saving of power and wastage of time to stop the unit to clean up. The most positive and quality management of clean room which is unnoticed that we are providing clean room without VOC gases which generating in AHU due to the collection of powder from long time in AHU. Features of AHU with automatic filter cleaning system. Zero level of blocking of filter, zero level air contamination. Maintain air quality ratio CFM. Maintain air velocity level. Low noise level. Lower current consumption. Create high quality of air. Minimum time to maintenance. Minimize the possibility of leakage. Reduce cost of labor. Minimum filter rupture possibility. Minimize bacterial growth. Increased confidence level. Our filters like mini plate HEPA filters, high temperature HEPA filters, pre-filters, flange type pre-filters, gel C HEPA filters, hooded type HEPA filters, flange type mini HEPA filters, paint spray booth filter, activated carbon filter, fine filter, cylindrical filter, disposable panel filter, activated carbon filter for VOC gases, high capacity HEPA filter, combination filter, V-cell HEPA filter. Pocket filter are manufactured in stringent testing conditions as per the guidelines of Eurovent 414, CEN, EN 1822, FAD standard 2016, ISO 146441 and ECC GMP.